Oh, you beautiful doll, you great big beautiful doll. Let me put my arms about you. I could never live without you. Oh, you beautiful doll, you great big beautiful doll. If you ever leave me, how my heart will ache. I wanna hug you, but I'm scared you'll break. Oh, 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 you beautiful doll. I practiced that way too many times, so now I'm out of breath. But hi, hey, I'm Liv, in case you guys forgot. I don't see my name anymore, but I think it's hurting my channel, so I'm gonna try and say it more. I'm Liv. Hey, hi. I am strange and unusual. I like things that are weird and wild. And I'm trying to stay on track and not just throw out a bunch of I think you should leave quotes. Anyway, I have an unboxing, hence the face. I have a couple things, a clowny thing and a not so clowny thing. And there's only two things, so I'm gonna put them together. So deal with it, all right? Yeah, okay. My goodness, I practiced that song too much, and I'm like, okay. So I got another thing from Precious Juggalos. Okay? So, yeah. It's just been sitting in this box for like, I don't even know how long. Over a month. And, Precious Juggalos. I brought my other little thing over that I got from him, because it's so cool. Before we get into my new item, you're very special, this little grandpa. I got him in honor of my grandpa who passed away last summer, and he was a clown. He was a clown that played the trumpet. So, and he had a yellow dress that he wore. So yeah, we have a couple pins, pins or buttons, what do we call them? These little guys. Oh. And then I was actually going to buy a shirt too, but basically the night that I bought this thing, was, oh, I keep forgetting that I have stuff on my nose. It was the night that he like announced that he's gonna do t-shirts, and they only had like one size of t-shirt in one color. So I was like, I'll wait until there's more. And the dude behind Precious Juggalos, Shovel, is what he goes by. He did a stream on his YouTube channel. He like live streams almost every day while he paints, and there's like always a hop and chat going. And he did like a 6-hour stream today to try and like get close. He's close to monetization for his channel, so I hung out there for like most of the day basically. And I was like, I'm gonna get a t-shirt because he has t-shirts now. And he did a bunch of trivia and like gave away like merch for trivia winners. And I won a t-shirt. I still have to message him my size, but like, how cool is that? I was gonna buy a t-shirt and then I won a t-shirt. So heck yeah. So I was like, oh, today's the day to here's a sticker, to do my unboxing, to put the clown makeup on and do the unboxing. I didn't know what kind of makeup I wanted to do, and it's been winter. It's been really cold and dark and like brutal, and I have not had any motivation to do even fun things like put clown makeup on and do a fun unboxing to this thing that I'm really excited about, but I just, you know, mental health, you know. It's frustrating when you're depressed and like want to do things, but like can't bring yourself to do the thing. I knew it was a music thing, but I forgot. Oh dear God. Oh my goodness. I'm actually kind of scared because I don't know, you get into like vintage clown territory. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what this clown has been up to in his life. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Like, this is definitely haunted, right? I mean, look at this party boy. I can't, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say to this besides like how amazing. He plays music and yep. So he'll fit right in with my little grandpa. Oh my gosh. He's crazy. He's really crazy. I love his outfit so much. This is the little, and yeah. Okay. I don't know what to say to him. Okay. He'll just keep playing music and sit here and stare at me creepily, as he should. Okay. Let's put your arms where they belong. All right, there we go. So, that was my first item. And, he's great. He's awesome. No notes. Thank you, Shovel, for that. And, now on to the next item. That's a little spicy. A little of the spicy variety. Something I was not planning on getting, but it just randomly popped up in my Facebook feed in a vintage clothing group. It got me. And vintage plus size lingerie, it'll get me. So, packaged so nice. So yeah, this was Rin, R-I-N-N-E, Rin's Closet on Depop and Instagram, apparently. Oh, Fredericks of Hollywood, red lace lingerie, size 2X, bust 34 to 46, waist 32 to 44. It's stretchy. We love stretchy. Yeah. So, it's gonna be kind of hard to show exactly what it is. It's like a full-on bodysuit situation from the 90s. Red lace situation. So okay, with the little bows. This actually did come in time for Valentine's Day for me to do a shoot, but I honestly just didn't have it in me. I didn't. It came like a day before Valentine's Day, and I was just like, we'll figure something else out. And I did a little date night try-on thing instead. But I'm definitely going to be taking some pics in this soon for my Patreon members. It's like full legs. But I have to like pair it with my I have a red pair of undies that'd be cute with that. So yeah. So I love that. I was not planning on getting it, but you know, it's really hard to come by vintage lingerie in great condition that's like really interesting and exciting like that in plus sizes. It's hard to do. So I'm excited for both of these items. Very red and white centric, which maybe I should have done a different outfit, but here we are. It's too late now. My heart got a little smudged when I did my eyeshadow, but that's okay. I was pretty pleased with this look, even though I was like putting it off forever, as I tend to do when I feel like I'm nervous about doing makeup. I don't know. But this turned out okay. And I hope you liked those items. I have another very special item coming, or I need to check the tracking. It could be in my mailbox as I speak. But it's a very special lingerie item that I got from a follower. So, well, a couple lingerie items. So, excited for that. And I think that's it for now. Okay, thank you if you stuck around this far, and maybe subscribe if you're not. That'd be neat. Okay, not gonna sound too desperate here, but thank you and take care.